When I was growing up, we could go to any school that we desired. We could go to, we had special schools fixed for the underprivileged, the children of color to go to. You had to be careful where you go and when you go and how you go. So, but today, you all are privileged to be able to go to any school that you desire. All you have to do is have the desire and the finances to go. In our day, those opportunities were not afforded to us. We had to go to selected places, and we didn't have the better teachers. We didn't have the best books. We had to have used books. We couldn't buy books new. We had to use books that someone else had already used. But anyhow, we made it because we was grateful of that little opportunity. And now with y'all, with this gorgeous opportunity to go to school, have new books, and take your choice, and become whatever you want to, you all should take advantage of every opportunity. Present yourself. Set your goals. You can reach your goals. You can make it if you try. If you really want to make it, you can. In our day, we wanted to make it, but we had so many obstacles and handicaps to keep us from going. So I want you all to be gracious for, I guess the struggles that we made in our days was paving the way for you for this day. But anyhow, we went through whatever was necessary. Now we've made the way much easier for you, so you go for it. Set your minds, reach your goals, and try to be the best that you can be. And I always say, my forerunners and my ancestors paved the way for me to have a better day today. This is Mama Dear, and I hope that I've said something to encourage you all to take advantage of your golden opportunity that you have today. And I will say more on my next video log.